Inside means a people who is working in the government, and outside means the people who is enjoying the facility given by the inside man of the government. For example, we are the outside people, and the machinery who is working in the government, they are the inside people. So what outside people is having the feeling, that you have to convey to the inside people in a such a way so that they can come out with the scheme. Right now the government has launched so many schemes based on the study. What is going to be happen? If you wish to develop the index, human develop index, what kind of the key criteria is required? So they had hired the statistician for that. And you, my dear friend, we had one of the Ministry of Statistics and Planning Commission at the central level, and we had at the Gandhinagar that there is a statistical director office of the statistical over here. So lot many statisticians are working there, lot many jobs are is in the government. It is rewarding to see the difference it makes. If you give the right decision, if you represent the government in a proper way, not government people to the government represent in a proper way, what happen? Government can realize, okay, this is the really stuff is required the people, and come out with it kind of the stuff. So it makes the difference of the life of the people. What the people want, if you represent in a proper way to the government, government has the different policy to meet this demand. So this is nothing but Richard Aldrich is nothing but Statistical Directorate at National Assembly of Wales speaking. Lecturer in epidemiology of medical statistics say, my work in medical statistics has always involved collaborating with experts in medicine, and it is important to be able to communicate effectively. Statisticians are used to clarify research issues and quantify their effects. The result can influence local, national and international policy. This is the one of the lecturer who is working in the medical statistics is saying. So their main role is that they belong to the statistics, and the people belong to the medical science. They have to understand the issues and come out with the some kind of the suggestion which will be really helpful for the medical decision. That is what I had given the excellent example of size of the brain how to predict the size of the brain length. Lecturer, sorry, this is the something slide is overlapped I think over here, but this is the slide of the statistics in the medicine. Before any drugs is invented, you can see that there are lot many things is associated with that. ड्रग डिस्कवरी, चिकनगुनिया आया तो सीधी सी ड्रग्स आपको मिल जाएगी नहीं. स्वाइन फ्लू आया, are the direct drugs is available? No, there are lot many time is required to discover the drug, and there are, you can say that to get the particular drugs in your hand almost require the 15 years. So starting from the animal trials to the drug which is experiment is done on the human body, this whole the process is generating the data, and everywhere there is a need of the statistician to analyze. My dear friend, lot many opportunities are available in the field of the pharmacy or in the field of the pharmaceutical industry as a biostatistician. My so many colleagues and my so many friends and my students are working as a biostatistician with the highest package, and almost you can say the on average package is the 3 to 4 lakh per annum. It is the initial salary of the 1 and 2 years. After having the experience of the 2 years in the field of the statistics in the pharmaceutical industry, you can have lot many opportunity. You can get on, you can say 7 lakh, 8 lakh, 10 lakh based on your skill and other important idea of the decision making in the field of it. Statistics in the finance, you can see that lot many pounds and dollars and something you are seeing that. Statistics in the investment companies, statistics in insurance companies, statistics in the consulting activity, statistics in the bank, insurance company. There are lot many opportunities are the field of the insurance. There is a whole body working, that is the, you can say the Actuarial Society of the London is working on the insurance sector. कोई भी पॉलिसी मार्केट में नहीं आती है, who will finally approve this policy? A statistician. So if you are the actuary, you can have the jobs of the 10 lakh, 12 lakh per annum. There are very few actuaries available in India. Still we are deciding the life of the, we are deciding the premium of the particularly any policy based on the expected life of the UK, क्योंकि एक्चुअल सोसाइटी ऑफ लंदन काम कर रहा है. we have to do something so that we should have the expected life of the our person. We should decide what kind of the premium we have to take, so that insurance company is also benefited and the customer is also benefited. You can say that in statistics in a bank, suppose customer came into the bank manager that I wish a loan. Now whether on what ground a bank manager is decided I should give the loan to you or not. So they have the some records. If you have a 3 years of the income tax return, if you have filed 3 years of the income tax return, if your income is this, if your expenditure is this, if your saving is this, likewise, then we can give this much of the quantity of loan. So bank manager wants to know whether this person is going to be default or not. तो हाउ विल यू आइडेंटिफाई, बिकॉज आपने पैसे दिए, अभी आपको वापस तो मिलने चाहिए ना, मिलेंगे या नहीं मिलेंगे उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी क्या है, हाउ विल यू आइडेंटिफाई. तो देयर इज ए वन ऑफ द मेथड ऑफ द डिस्क्रिमिनेशन एनालिसिस. Discriminant analysis is one of the statistical modeling which can be helpful to identify whether this person is going to repayment the loan or not. So statistics in the banks, RBI has more than 100 statistician is working to deal with these are the issues. If you can say that there is opportunity in the banking sector. My one of the student is working in the federal bank as a statistician, having the salary of 4 lakh at the starting salary. So these are, I am not just throwing the air in the throwing the particular words in air. This is the true. If you need it, you can contact me, I'll give all the details to you. So this is the fact that market has lot of potential. There are a lot of need of the statistician, because everywhere is data is generated and nobody is interested to take data decision without the some base concrete result. Everyone is needed decision based on some concrete information, and who will provide? A statistician. Yeah. Oh wow, it's some player is playing the cricket. Yesterday there was a match of, not yesterday but previous yesterday, there was a match of the India and Pakistan and New Zealand, and Kamran Akmal has left so many catches and therefore the Pakistan has lose the game. This is what something like that. But suppose, my dear friends, sometimes we had a bad condition of the weather, and at that time the cricket ICC is using the Duckworth-Lewis rule. What is this? Based on that, the Duckworth-Lewis rule, they will give that person or that team has won the match or not. Who has suggested? This rule is suggested by the statistician. How they have suggested? They had collected information of the past all the matches, and suppose that weather condition is bad, what we do, how it will work. Based on all the data analysis modeling concept, they have suggested that this person or this particular team should be declared as a winning the match based on the Duckworth-Lewis rule. If you see that particularly different graphs, प्लेयर एक टीम का हो गया है, लाइन चार्ट बताया होगा, इसकी एवरेज ये है, बार चार्ट दिया होगा, या सचिन तेंदुलकर है, उसकी बैटिंग रेट एवरेज कितना है, बराबर, और इतनी मैचेस खेले, इतने रन बनाए, व्हाट शुड बी द एवरेज, विच वन इज द कंसिस्टेंट प्लेयर. टीम सिलेक्शन करना है आपको, तो भाई उसमें 5 बैट्समैन चाहिए, 3 बॉलर चाहिए और बाकी के ऑलराउंडर चाहिए. हाउ ऑन व्हाट वे यू कैन सिलेक्ट द टीम so that you can have a more chance of the winning the match. How will you identify? This is all lot many decision is required, and there is a whole probability theory is associated with it. So lot of statisticians have the jobs in the field of this. Wagon wheel, it's nothing but again the concept of the statistician, who as statistician has suggested given this particular concept. So statistics in the cricket. These are the, would I like to show you the some salaries. It is a survey of the 2006 of the Bureau of the Labor Statistics in the US. Employment estimate and the mean wages estimated for the statistician is the monthly wages is the $33.21, and if you talk about the annually, on average they are paying statistician a $70,000 per annum. You can think about it. Okay, what is the opportunity of the statistics? One of the surveys showed that in the US, among the top 5, third positions of the best ranking service is this statistician services. These are the some of kind of the industry which has the different salary. If you are working in the federal executive branch, you have the salary of $85,000 per annum. If you are working in the scientific research and development services, almost $80,000 per annum salary. If you are working in the colleges as a teacher or university level as a assistant professor, you can get the on average salaries of $55,000. Likewise, these are the in the state government, they are paying the $47,610 per annum. Insurance sector, if you have the salary is the $61,400 per annum. So these are the some salaries is shown to you. And if you are working in a IT base, $95,000 per annum. Federal executive, it has 85,000. Semiconductor and other some industries, if you are working, they have the annual salary is the $85,000. If you are working in a pharmaceutical industry as a biostatistician, the almost salary is $85,000. And if you are working in the particularly electromedical and control instrument manufacturing for making the instrument for the electronic way base, then their salary is $83,300 per annum. This whatever the salaries I have suggested, it is not from my pocket. You can verify it, because it is the online lectures which I am giving, and whatever I have given the information, it is 100% true. You can verify, go Google. The best thing is that it is the 2006 survey, and now probably in a 2010 the situation may be the different, maybe the salary is high, because I don't believe that you will pay the less salary, because everywhere the data is generated and everywhere the decision maker is want to take the decision based on that past, because statistics is always dealing on the past. Based on the past experience, you are presenting the future. A final word in this particular session, I would like to convey that we encourage a young people like you wants to have an interesting work. We encourage young people who is really interested in to do the work for the society, because if you are an ethical statistician, you will never approve the wrong drug in the market. If you are ethical statistician in the government, you really represent the government in a true spirit, or you really represent the people have a problem in a true spirit to the government, so that government can idea for the policy making decision. If you are the true person, if you are a true ethical statistician, you can change the life of the people. You can save the people of the life before these all the disaster activities like tsunami and earthquake. So we encourage young people who want to have interesting work which can make the positive difference, because we are in the globalization, and in a globalization we want the India should be superpower as much as early possible, and therefore our decision should be strong and valid. How can you make the positive difference? By giving the particularly proper decision, so which can make a positive difference to the quality of our lives, to consider statistics as a career. So if you have this all the desires, then you think the statistics as the career. No doubt we are in this position. Why we are going for the study? Ultimately our aim is that we need services. We need to earn the money. You can earn a lot of money, but simultaneously, directly or indirectly, you are helping the society in a true spirit if you are a statistician. For this presentation, I had used the two popular presentation, American Statistical Association, which is the one of the leading statistical society in the America, and the Royal Statistical Society, London. They had prepared this two presentation, and I had included some of the my stuff based on these two presentation. I had prepared it. You can just go Google, give it. You can have the all the presentation in front of you in your desk. I'm really thankful for your kind patience, and if you have any questions, so you can ask the questions. Probably the number is associated with you, and you can give me a call if you have any query, because when I was in the SYBSc, I had also the same confusion. Why should I join statistics? I wish to be a mathematician. Why should I join? Then I have again the lot of discussion with the my teachers, and they had encouraged me to join the statistics as their career. And as right now I'm in front of you, and a very young age I am giving the lectures on the field of the statistics. Probably it requires the lot of years of experience, because I am working as a placement in charge in my department, and I know that what are the opportunities in the field of the statistics. So if you have any questions, probably if you are no any call from this your side, you probably write to me. This is the my email address, dp_raikundalia RAYKUNDLIYA @spuvvn.edu. I am ready. I am really happy to help you to give the idea what are the opportunities in the field of statistics. So if you have any questions, if you have not, so I will stop my presentation over here. Thank you very much.